Today I have a Kia Sportage, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the ceiling lights on this particular Kia Sportage. The ceiling lights are also called the dome lights or overhead lights or just lights above your head. Whatever you want to call them, I'm going to show you how to turn them on and off. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of this particular Kia Sportage. Now to turn on and off the overhead dome lights, ceiling lights, what to do first is look above because they're not going to be by your feet. And so once you look above, you'll see that there's a panel going on right here. Now, you'll want to turn on the reading light if you want to read. Do not do that while driving. I recommend you not do that while you're driving. In order to turn on the reading lights for the driver's side, you just simply press that right there. All right, and now you can read. But most of you can't read, that's why you're watching a video. In order to turn it off, what you'll do is press that, and it turns off. Now, if the passenger side, perhaps they're smarter than you, maybe they will read. And so they'll probably really need to use their reading light. Now, if they can't read, if they're just like you just go ahead and press this, and neither one of you need reading lights because both of you don't read. All right, so now, after I've done that, if you want to turn them all on, just the lights, just so you can see that you cannot read, go ahead and press that. All right, so once you press that, all of the lights inside of the vehicle are on, those and including those. Now to turn all the lights off, you just go ahead and press that. Now if you want to have the lights come on when you open the door, you just simply open the door and they're supposed to come on, but the reason why they're not is because you don't have this depressed in. So I'm going to go ahead and press this, and now when I open the door, the lights go on. And when I shut the door, the lights go off just like that. Do you see how that works? Now, if I press this and it's out, I open the door and they do not come on. Just like that. All right, so that is how you turn on and off the ceiling lights, the dome lights, the lights above your head, the lights in the sky, whatever you want to call them. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.